Here's a 2016 Audi Allroad. Alluring and adventurous, it's ready to cater to your daring nature. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: external memory control, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, 4 12-volt power outlets, leather bucket seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver explains, the cabin is well turned out as you'd expect, a veritable festival of high-buck materials screwed together with the precision of, well, an Audi. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.